Hello everyone, welcome to day 5 of 100 Day C Programming Challenge. In today's video, we will see how to divide two numbers in C programming. So for that, first of all, I will include stdio.h. After that, I will start my program with void main. Then I will take two variables, let's say a and b. And after declaring a and b, I will initialize it with value a 45 and b with 5. Now I will take one more variable div in which we will store the division of a and b. So I will simply write a divide b. Now I will print the div variable. Division of two numbers are %d. Here I took integer type, so I write %d here and I am printing div, this variable, because I stored a divide b in this variable. Now I am saving this program with day5.c. To run this program, I will use terminal. In terminal, I will first write cc day5.c. Now the program is successfully compiled. For output, I will write dot/a.out, and here is the output. So division of 45 and 5 is 9. That's all for today. Thank you.